If you think washing clothes in a machine is complicated, then you've clearly never heard of money laundering. Yes, money. Transforming dirty, illegal cash into innocent fortunes is like walking around in a freshly pressed suit in the world of crime. Stay with us to uncover how scammers perfect this art, making crime look more elegant than an expensive designer handbag. In this video, we'll dive into the story of money laundering, how the idea was born in the world of crime and the complex tricks criminals use to deceive authorities. We'll explore the dark history of this phenomenon, highlight famous international cases that changed the rules of the game, and discuss the laws and global efforts to combat it. What is money laundering? Money laundering is the process by which criminals turn illicit funds into seemingly legitimate money, with the goal of deceiving governments and banks. This process involves 3 stages: placement, where the money enters the financial system; layering, where funds are concealed through complex transactions; and integration, when the laundered money becomes part of the legal economy. Stages of money laundering. 1. Placement. Illicit money is introduced into the financial system, often through large cash deposits or the purchase of valuable assets. This stage is the most risky because it can raise authorities' suspicions if not executed skillfully. 2. Layering. At this stage, criminals begin hiding the origin of the funds through a series of complicated financial transactions. They may transfer the money between different accounts, invest in financial instruments, or move funds across countries to mislead investigators. 3. Integration. Finally, the laundered money is merged into the legitimate economy by purchasing businesses or funding projects that appear completely lawful, making it difficult to trace the original source. Methods of money laundering. Real estate. Buying and selling properties is a common method used for laundering money, as these transactions make it harder to track the flow of funds. Shell companies. Criminals often establish shell companies in countries with lenient financial laws, creating a complex maze for investigators. Cryptocurrency. With technological advancements, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have become new tools for laundering money. These decentralized digital currencies are difficult for authorities to track. Casinos. Some turn to gambling, injecting illicit funds into casinos, playing briefly, and then cashing out as clean winnings. Famous money laundering cases. HSBC scandal, 2012. The global bank was implicated in massive money laundering operations for Mexican drug cartels and had to pay a fine of $1.9 billion. Danske Bank scandal, 2018. The Estonian branch of Danske Bank was involved in laundering over 200 billion euros of suspicious funds, drawing intense scrutiny from the European Union. International efforts. Global agreements, such as the United Nations Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime and the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, aim to establish international standards to combat these crimes. Anti-money laundering laws, AML, also require financial institutions to report suspicious activities and verify the identity of clients. Conclusion. In the end, money laundering isn't just a crime. It's an ongoing battle between criminal ingenuity and international law. As criminals invent new ways to clean dirty money, governments work tirelessly to outsmart them. The question remains, can justice stay one step ahead of criminal minds, or will crime always have the upper hand?